Welcome to the Autocad manual. Today, let us draw this figure. So I'll start by drawing two lines, one horizontal and the other vertical, both of which cross each other at their midpoints. So I'll select the line command. Then I'll draw the vertical line. Again, I'll select the line command. This time I'll draw a horizontal line. Now, I will draw 5 circles from the same common center point. The first circle has a diameter of 45 mm. So I'll select the center diameter option. Then from this common point, I'll type in 45%. The second circle has a radius of 37 millimeters. Therefore, select the center radius option. Then from this common center point, I'll type 37%. The third circle has a radius of 42 millimeters. Therefore, from this common center point, I'll type 42%. The fourth circle has a radius of 47 millimeters. So again, from this center point, I'll type 47%. And now the last circle has a radius of 51 millimeters. So I'll type in 51%. Now, let us draw a line that makes an angle of 30 degrees with the 0-degree angle line. Therefore, I'll turn on the dynamic mode. Then I'll select the line command. Then I'll specify this center point here to be the first point of the line. Now I'll drag the cursor until I get an angle of 30 degrees. This point here. Now I'll draw a circle of 5 mm radius on the third circle where the circle intersects this 30-degree angle line. Therefore, I'll select the center radius option and then I'll draw this circle at this point here. Now type in 5 and press enter. And also draw a 5 mm radius circle at the topmost point on the third circle. This point here. So again, I'll select the center radius option, and from this point I'll type 5%. Now let us trim and erase the parts that we don't need. Therefore, I'll select the trim command, press enter. After that, I'll trim all these parts here. Now let me erase this. After that, I will erase all these parts here. Now let us join these parts of this figure. These parts, this one, this one, this and this one. So I'll select the join command. And as you can see, they are joined. Now I will apply the polar array command to this figure. So I'll select the polar array command. Then I'll select this figure and press enter. After that, I'll specify this point here to be the center point of the array. And now I will change the item count value from 6 to 4. So I'll type in 4. Press enter. After that, I'll close the array. Now, let us draw a triangle circumscribed about a circle of 42 mm radius by using the polygon command. So now, I'll select the polygon command. And then I'll type in 3 as the number of sides. After that, you are prompted to specify the center of the polygon. So I'll select the center of the polygon to be here. And then I'll select the circumscribed about a circle option. Now you have to specify the radius of the circle. So now type in 42 and press enter. Now use the tangent radius option to draw an 80 mm radius circle between these two lines. So first, let me erase all these unwanted lines. And now I will select the tangent radius option. After that I'll select this line and this line, and then I'll type 8 and press enter. Now I'll select the center diameter option. Then from this center point I'll type in 8 and press enter. Now apply the polar array command to these two circles that we've just drawn. So I'll select the polar array command. Then I'll select this circle, press enter. After that I'll select this point here to be the center point of the array. Then I'll change the value of the item count from 6 to 3, so I'll type 3 and press enter. Then close the array. Now let us trim all the parts that we don't need, so I'll select the trim command and press enter. That I'll start trimming. And as you can see, we are done.